You hear that?
Probably your stomach again.
No, it's a pager, I swear. I am going to find that pager. Hello? Hello, anyone here? Where is that coming from? Sounds like it's coming from the boiler room.
Relax, rookie. It's just my emergency snack pager.
Only Grizz would invent a pager that alerts him when the vending machine gets refilled.
I almost called Ghostbusters.
Hey, snacks wait for no one.
Pine Valley Hospital Security, where the mysteries are real, but so are the snacks.